Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. So the BRZ is back. It's had the front end completely aligned. So the guys took it off to the crash centre, put it on the jig, checked it was all straight, and there was a slight twist on the passenger side. So I think the leg had been pushed backwards into the cabin. So that's been all straightened up now, so it's all nice and safe. And what the guys did as well is actually fitted the wings and the bonnet and the front bumper and the headlights. Just to make sure everything lines up and it's all aligned and correct and there's nothing out of place. So what's next on the car? So we've got to strip that front end back off. So we've got the radiators to go in, so a lot of this that's already been fitted has to come off. And we've also got to paint the front crash beam as well, and all the front end that's not going to be painted during the respray. So the respray should be happening as soon as all the paint suppliers open. So we'll be stripping off as much as we can off the car over the next few days. Okay, so that's the front end mostly off now. So I'm going to get the crash beam off so I can get that painted so it's not blue anymore. And then I'm going to paint this new slam panel that's in. So that's in like a type of black primer from from the manufacturer. So what I need to do is actually tape that all up and get it painted. Should really have done it before it went on the car, but I just didn't have a chance. So I'm going to mask up as best I can and get that painted in satin black to match the engine. Hey everyone, so you joined me a few hours later. So I've been really busy on the BRZ today, so I haven't filmed everything because I don't think it'd be a great watching me sort of run round and get frustrated with the car. But if you look, we've now got the front end on, crash beam and everything all painted satin black. If we pop the bonnet, let's take a look in the engine bay. You can see I've started to paint that all black. Everything down the front end's fitted. Airbox is in. So yeah, got tons done today. Really pleased with it. Got the washers in, that's working. Radiators and fans are all in and all working. So we've had the car up to temperature and it all cools down and fans kick in. What you will start to see around the car now is I'll start to strip it off, because the next stage is for the car to go to paint. So I'm waiting for the body shop to actually get hold of some paint because all the suppliers are closed, but that doesn't stop me from stripping it off. So let's walk around and see what we've done. Okay, so eventually what will happen is that the engine bay will be satin black and the outside of the car will be going some sort of bright colour. So I've started to just paint some of these bits that you may not see, just because I'm not sure where the body shop are going to spray up to. So I've started to do some satin black for the bits that might be more tricky when the wings are on. You can see all the cowling's gone, so that can go. Front glass removed, all the door window trims removed, wing mirrors off, and there's a video coming in terms of how to remove the wing mirrors. We've got all the channels across the top, and also if you look, the aerial's gone as well. So the body shop are going to have to remove this rear glass, and they'll get a glass person in to remove that and that trim. Coming around to the back of the car, again that glass is going to come out by the glass expert. That's something I don't fancy attempting. Back end. So at the moment I'm currently stripping that down, so the last thing that needs to come off is the rear bumper. So I haven't had a chance to do that, so that'll be maybe the next video on how to remove that bumper. You see all the rear lights have gone. Door handles, found those really tricky today. Got most of them off, got the bolt off, but because these in the UK have the sensors on them, there's something plugged in at the back of these that's stopping it coming off. So if anyone's got any tip for UK ones and how to remove those, that'd be really handy, because I'm really struggling on those at the moment. If we open the door, you can see our door cards are all stripped off, so all ready for paint, so that we can get in all the door seals and everything all been removed, and same on the driver's side as well. So I'd say it's about 80–90% done in terms of stripping parts off. So there's that rear bumper and the door handles to go pretty much, and then it's ready for the body shop. Okay, so hopefully you found today's video useful. It's a bit of a short one, not really a how-to, but a sort of start on the day and end of day progress check on the BRZ. So there's plenty going on. Pretty much it's going to be a waiting game now for the body shop to get some paint. If you liked today's video, please hit that like button down below and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thread bits, and there's actually little holes on the bottom.